What's up, you guys? So it's been a while since I made a video, like literally I think 2 months now, but finally got some time. I'm gonna get my tripod because I'm gonna film a cold start, because I gotta do that once in a while, you know. I actually do have a lot more time right now, so I'm gonna try to put out as many videos as I can. I don't know how many it's gonna be, but more than what I've been doing, which isn't hard to beat. Today, the video that we're making is I'm going to be data logging, and also get into this a little bit later in the video on what other mods I installed. But yeah, so we're data logging, and then I don't know if you guys have ever noticed this on the car, but the car rattles a lot, and I might as well just show you now before the cold start. My engine bay is stupid dirty, but basically you can see right here, there's a bracket missing there. Any little movement in the car, the intake just goes crazy on that fender. So I have this, obviously it's used, and I don't know which way it goes. I haven't really looked at this yet. Okay, so like that. But basically I need to get some different screws for it or something, because clearly it's missing two things right there. So I'm probably gonna go to the hardware store too, so I can get this actually installed. But until then, I'm gonna drive the car with it hitting against the fender. And I don't know if you guys have seen my other videos, but you can like definitely hear a little bit in some of those videos. But we're fixing that today, or hopefully we are. Hopefully it goes smooth and I can just find the screws and put them in there. But other than that, we're data logging, like I said. So I'll be doing a third gear pull, and then we'll see what else. But I'm for sure doing at least a third gear pull for that. And then, oh yeah, so I also installed an EVCS, a Cobb 3-port EVCS recently. You can't see it because I don't know why I was trying to show you, can't even see it, but it's behind there. And so that is supposed to help with the boost issues, because I was having some boost issues. So I think I'm actually gonna start the car right now, just get that cold start going, and then I'll finish talking about what I was talking about once we're actually driving. So I'm setting up my tripod right now, and then we'll get that going. Have any steering wheel recommendations that are like not stupid expensive? Hey, Forester, went a different route with that one. Clearly, it's kind of nice. I think if I had that generation, I'd probably lift it too. But if you guys have any recommendations for steering wheels, like seriously, let me know, because I am looking to get a new one fairly soon. I don't know how soon, but I'm just kind of tired of having this steering wheel. It's not bad, but just in terms of looks, I hate it. So let me know what you guys have, or if you have any recommendations, because I want to get a new one. First thing we're doing right now is going to Ace Hardware. Been there like 100 times in the past 3 months. Just getting like different bolts for my car. I have air fresheners that I ordered that should be coming in like probably within a couple weeks, I think. And they're actually like super cool in my opinion. And I'll be posting those on my Instagram, and then also probably on the other Instagram that I made for these. Probably gonna be restocking these pretty soon too. Probably like literally in the next month as well. So for those of you that didn't get these and wanted one, or for those of you that just, oh, that's so nice. Black and red is such a good color combo. Kind of lost my train of thought right there. And I am gonna be restocking these definitely at some point in the future, and I'm probably gonna do it within the next month. So you can watch for those if you missed out on these and you want to get some. Damn, look at that. What is that? I keep getting distracted just sitting here. That's crazy. Not my style, but I bet he loves it. I'm gonna go inside Ace Hardware and see what I can do to get those 2 screws that I need. Alright, so it was a success getting the bolts I needed. These are not actually done. I already put 2 of them in. Obviously I haven't screwed them in really yet, or I guess tightened them yet. But it's in place now, so I have those 2 in place. I'm gonna tighten them, put 2 bolts on the ends of the other side of this, because there's 2 screws that stick out. So I have 2 bolts for that. All tightened up now. I'm gonna go Datalog now. Thought it was gonna be typical process, but I took my mask off, can't even hear myself. But naturally, even simple things like trying to get a few bolts is not always going to go as planned. I was trying to do this during the daytime, but obviously that didn't happen, so not like I can really help it considering it gets dark at like 4 p.m. now. But anyway, I think I'm just going to do the pull today because I have to. The tuner wants me to do a 3rd gear pull, and then he also wants me to do some highway driving and like city driving, which I feel like is not that interesting to you guys. And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. I might do that tomorrow. I have to go on the highway anyway in a few days, or like a couple days, so I might just do that then. But for now, I'm definitely gonna do the pull and then just drive around because I want to see or hear what it's like not having that intake smacking against the fender all day. So I'm gonna go find a like deserted road and see what the deal is. So I can actually like hear myself think on the highway, and like I don't know, driving around town it gets pretty loud. If you have an exhaust, it's catless. It's not crazy loud. Let me know if you would recommend it because I do kind of want to quiet down my car a little bit. So we're coming up on the road up here that I'm going to be data logging on. It's really dark up here, so I don't know if you can be able to see anything except for like 10 feet from my headlights. I pulled over so I could actually have a clear path, but I'm about to do it right now. So they took that turn pretty fucking slow. It's like they a deer in the headlights or whatever. I've never gotten in a wreck in my life, but that was kind of close. Definitely not gonna do that again in that spot. But anyway, that felt kind of fast. Not as fast as it should be. I know it definitely was not where it should be. Because I've been talking to the tuner for a little while now, and this car's been having boost issues, like one thing after another. And I was missing a restrictor pill first off, and then I got a restrictor pill, I put it in backwards, or I put it on the wrong side, so I was having boost issues still. Put it on the right side, and I was feeling better, like it was actually pulling. But it's still like the boost wasn't there yet. So then I got an EBCS. And it kind of felt like just driving around town, it kind of felt like how it did when I was missing the restrictor pill. And that pull actually felt kind of fast, but it's quick. But just driving around town, the car does not really pull, it like doesn't really boost right for sure. So before I finish the video, I just want to say thank you guys for continuing to show support over the past month and a half, even though I wasn't posting that often. And I also wanted to say that since this video, I got a new tune on the car, and the car's running a lot better now. So the next video should be a lot of fun. And I'm gonna hopefully film it in a couple days, and I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but should be soon. If you guys want to see more of the Forest or just other car content in general, subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, it would mean a lot. And I think that's about it. If you guys have any videos you want to see in the future, leave a comment down below too. And I think that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.